Today we will study and learn about one of the contrast word which means in Hindi lekin kintu prantu, which is to be studied, which we will study throughout our chapter, and how and however are used as a conjunction in a sentence. However and but are used in the sense of showing two different meanings in a two different words. The first example which we have is Ram has charged his mobile, but he can't call to anyone. So it's a contrast. It's a contrast meaning sentence. So first sentence having mobile, but he can't call to anyone. So it shows contrast, shows opposite word. So here we have to use but and if you don't want to use but, so we can also use however instead of but. Those people are hungry, they are not willing to eat their meals. So two sentence, so two different meaning. So here we have to use contrast word like but. Those people are hungry but they are not willing to eat their meals. We can use however in this situation. Those people are hungry, however they are not willing to eat their meals. Next example is he had written wrong answer, he succeeded in his exam. So here two sentence, so two different meaning. So here we have to use but. He had written wrong answer, but he succeeded in his exam. We can also make this sentence, he had written wrong answer, however he succeeded in his exam. Next example is they have scheduled their day to complete their all works, they don't follow their rules. So here two sentence, so two different meaning. So here we have to use contrast. They have scheduled their day to complete their all works, but they don't follow their rules. Instead of using but, we can also use however in this scenario. They have scheduled their day to complete their all works, however they don't follow their rules. Next example is he had turned on AC, it doesn't give coolness or adequate environment to his room. So here two sentence, so two different meanings. So in this way in this case we have to use contrast word like he had turned on AC but it doesn't give coolness or adequate environment to his room. Instead of using but, we can also use however as a contrast word, as a conjunction. He had turned on AC, however, it doesn't give coolness or adequate environment to his room. Next example is most of the children brush their teeth. They are also likely to have diarrhea or bad smell from their mouth. So two sentences, so two different meanings. So here we have to use but to link two sentences to each other. Most of the children brush their teeth, but they are also likely to have diarrhea or bad smell from their mouth. Instead of using but as a contrast word, as a conjunction, we can also use however. Most of the children brush their teeth, however, they are also likely to have diarrhea or bad smell from their mouth. So here we have seen multiple example of but and however. Both are the contrast words which have been used in different examples to make you understand how we can use contrast word in a sentence.